At 30, those dreams of wealth and freedom seem to slowly fade into a haunting reality. You find yourself staring at your bank account, filled with regret. You thought you had time to invest, to learn, to grow. But now, the clock ticks louder, mocking you, reminding you of every financial mistake you've made. It's not just about money, it's about opportunity, your life dangling on the precipice of inaction. Will you become a cautionary tale, or will you rise to seize the moment before it's too late? Welcome to this dark journey through financial awakening. Here, we'll delve into forbidden truths that society doesn't want you to grasp. Some might laugh off the importance of knowledge, but come closer. Let's lift the curtain on the wreckage left by procrastination and complacency. Do you think you can afford to wait? Think again. Every second lost is a chance at freedom evaporating into thin air. We'll reveal shocking financial truths and stormy realities that ought to ignite a fire within you. Strap in. This ride will be ruthless, but you just might find the urge to change your life forever. Let's unmask the hidden mistakes that have silently torpedoed your financial future. Nobody wants to hear it, but laziness creeps in like a thief in the night, robbing you of potential wealth. Meet Sarah, age 30, sitting in her studio apartment, surrounded by unpaid bills and crushed ambitions. She thought a fresh start was just around the corner, yet she kept putting off essential lessons in finance. While she binged on Netflix, others were studying investment strategies and leaving her behind, drowning in debt. Self-sabotage, oh, it's a cruel mistress. Many wear it like a badge of honor, but refuse to look in the mirror. You convince yourself that you'll start tomorrow, yet tomorrow never delivers. Every excuse you parade around is a nail in your financial coffin. Real-life horror stories abound, people who lost their dreams because they thought they had time. The chilling truth? You don't. Every day that passes is a step further from your goals. Success isn't a fairy tale, it's a battlefield strewn with the sacrifices of those brave enough to fight. Behind every successful person lies a graveyard of envy, betrayal, and loneliness. Think of Mark, who clawed his way up from rock bottom, only to realize his friends turned into foes. As he climbed, he lost the very relationships that once mattered. Do you really believe success comes without a cost? The relentless grind haunts your dreams, creeping in like a shadow. The sacrifices can feel unbearable, and many abandon their goals when the weight gets too heavy. In the pursuit of wealth, you may find yourself isolated, watching others celebrate the very thing you crave. Are you truly ready to pay that price? The emotional turmoil of endless setbacks can push even the strongest to the brink. But remember, every wound on the way to success is a story worth telling. Will you write yours? Now, let's delve into ruthless wealth moves you can make today. Step 1. Stop following the herd. Evaluate your financial literacy and educate yourself. Books, courses, seminars, they're the arrows in your quiver. Step 2. Eliminate wasteful spending. That morning latte? It's draining your future. Save that money and invest it. Every dollar counts. Step 3. Diversify your income streams. Relying on one paycheck is a trap woven with illusion. Vulnerability invites crisis, and you can't afford that. Step 4. Network like your future depends on it, because it does. Every connection could open a door to opportunity. Finally, adopt a ruthless mindset. Stop waiting for the right moment, create it. The market rewards action takers, those who put theory into practice, and forge their path with brutal resilience. But beware, there are shocking insights just around the corner, secrets buried in the dark corners of financial strategies that could change everything you believe about wealth. Are you ready for the uncomfortable truths lurking just beneath the surface? What if I told you that most people who venture into investing without a solid plan end up losing everything? The hidden systems working against you could leave you empty-handed, paralyzed by fear and indecision. What happens next? How deep does this rabbit hole go? Think of money as a lifeline in a turbulent sea. Without it, you are floundering, battling waves of despair and desperation. It's a tool for survival, power, and freedom. Imagine your financial ignorance as a slow poison, draining your potential drop by drop, inch by inch. Just like a ticking time bomb, every unwise choice sends shrapnel into your future. Can you afford to ignore this until it's too late? Survival isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Money isn't just currency, it's ammunition for the battles you must face. Feel that urgent pulse of fear. What if you continue down this path of ignorance? The shame of watching others succeed while you languish in your mediocrity would be unbearable. It's more than motivation, it's a desperate call to arms against the societal pressures telling you to wait. Can you endure that judgment? Your friends will start to measure success by what you don't have, not what you do. Don't let envy fester. Fight back with knowledge and relentless action. If you're serious about breaking free from your financial chains, subscribe now. Join us as you gain access to forbidden knowledge and insider wealth tactics. This is your chance to unlock hidden strategies that could elevate you from mediocrity to mastery. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the dark knowledge and wield it to rewrite your financial destiny. As we close this this intense journey, remember, the clock is ticking. The haunting consequences of inaction loom larger every day. Will you let your dreams dissipate? Or will you take the necessary steps to avoid becoming just another statistic of failure? The choice is yours, but remember this: financial ruin doesn't just happen. It's a series of misguided choices, a path paved with procrastination and regret. At 30, your destiny is in your hands. What will you do? Time waits for no one. Choose wisely and act relentlessly.